support and it went lower. So this is the trading what happened on Monday. So you can very well see that the price opened around 28,320. It tried to move higher, it couldn't go down, and it came down, and it couldn't even sustain. It didn't stay lower also, and it closed around 28,320 on the same zone. So it is more like a consolidation that happened on Monday, that is on 9th. You can see the consolidation happened on Monday, but the trend remains the same, it was down. On Tuesday, you can see the price opening around this zone. The vertical dotted lines is the market opening and the previous day's closing. On Tuesday, the price opened around 28,360. The same thing we expected. What we expect is that the market will find a resistance around unless until the way there is a closing above 28,460 and the price staying above for 28,420. We didn't expect the gold market to go higher. So what we expect is that only if the price is closing above 28,460, we expected the market to go higher. Till then we expected the market to stay down. On Tuesday you can see that the market found a resistance around 28,420 and it stayed down. You can see the price is finding a resistance around 28,420, but in the late evening session you can see the market found a resistance here and came down and tested this 28,320, and at last in the late evening session the resistance was broken very clearly and the price closed above 28,640. And from 11th onwards, since the price has closed above and it was well above the major resistance zone, now we expected this 28,460 and 28,520 can provide a good support for gold market. And what we expect you to note is that the next day the price opened, that is on 11th, the price opened around 28,560. We request the client to monitor this zone very carefully, 28,520 and 28,560. So the price opened around this zone and it took the support around 28,520. You can very well see that the market took the support around 28,000 on 11th of this last week. The market took the support around 28,560. Why we are requesting the client to note this level is that the price can be we can find this zone at, for this week. We can expect the market to find this zone 28,560. So we request all the clients and viewers to monitor this zone very carefully. It took the support on 11th and you can very well see that it consolidated here for a long while between. There is a consolidation between 28,560 and 28,620. And in the later evening session, you can see a very good consolidation. So it tried to move higher, but you can see that the market was very weak and it closed around 28,600. But the closing, it is a normal consolidation, normal, quite often it happens in the market. Just because the price has moved higher before 2 days, we saw a drastic upward price movement. So it's quite often to have a consolidation like this. The next day also the price opened near the same zone. So on 11th you see the price opened around 28,560. On 12th also the market opened around 28,560. Again it formed a support. You can very well see that how long the market is taking a decision which is around 28,160, and after breaking this 28,560 the market went up and higher. You can see that then the market closed around 28,740. On Friday the price opened near the zone and it went and tested 28,820, nearly the target of 28,820, but it couldn't stay there for a long time. So the market found a resistance around 28,820, and the late evening session you can see there was a huge drop and again the price came down till 28,560. Now you can realize why we concentrated more on 28,560. So this 28,560 and this 28,520 is going to be the key zone for this week. Just because the price closed around this zone around 28,587. This was the closing on Friday, and today also we are expecting gold to open more or less near the same zone. So today is going to be a very key day for trading in gold market. So since the price is very much near the major decision zone, today is going to be very important for trading in gold, because today is a decision day. If the price is going to close above 28,620 and if the price is going to stay above this 28, because we can expect the price to go open around 28,580. So this is the zone where we are expecting the price to open more or less near the Friday's close. We are based on the INR price values, it is going to open more or less near the zone. So today if the price is going to close above 28,620, then it is going to be the bull run for gold market. But if the price is not going to break this 28,620, a failure to break this 28,620 and a closing below this 28,560 or between this 28,520 can pull the market down further. So that is the reason why we say today trading in gold is going to be very important for us, because the market is going to stay near this major key zone of 28,560. This way we explained last week why this 28,560 is important, because the price was staying between 28,560 and 20, between the zone the price was staying for a long time, and then it gave a pullback. Now the price is again now we are seeing the price in the same zone again. So that is the reason why we said this 28,000 is going to be 28,560 level is going to be very important for trading in gold. So we request all the clients to monitor the support and resistance level very carefully, because it can be 50-50 chance for the buyers and the sellers. So market can very well take those who have averaged till the zone 28,560 can very well wait for the market. They can wait and watch this 28,560 support levels very carefully. If the price is not going to stay in this support level, they can close their position. If the clients is having some good sufficient funds, he can very well even wait for 28,520 also. So whomever who has averaged on Friday, you can wait. You can closely monitor how the market price is reacting between 28,560 and 28,520, and then based on the how many tops and resistance it's forming, you can have a decision on that. But if the client is going to make a new entry, you can go for what we expect. That you can go for sellers, you can go for a sell till 28,620 and maintain a very strict stop loss around 28,640. So you can take advantage of the selling also, and you can take advantage of buying also. Today is going to be a 50-50 probability chance for both buyers and sellers. So this is called a decision day for gold, trading in gold, and this happens on Monday. So today is going to be very crucial for trading in gold, because the opening, today's market opening and today's market closing, and the support and resistance which is going to form around 28,620 and 28,560 and 28,520 is going to be very important for coming weeks also. For this week and for the coming week, this zone is going to act as very important zone. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and we allow to all the buyers to be very careful to not to be overconfident with the gold market, because since the price is opening lower, we request all the buyers to maintain a very strict stop loss. But for new traders, what we expect is that the market can go for a selling. So for new traders who have not taken any entry, you can eye on this 28,620. Only the price closing above this 28,620 for today will confirm the buying in gold. If the price is not going to close above 28,620 for today, then gold can show a downtrend also. So be careful while trading in gold. Follow the support and resistance, follow the market patterns which is going to form during the trading session. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks for watching our video and take care. Bye. Happy trading.